My name is Jafar Siddiqui. I'm an interventional physiatrist. My primary specialty is interventional pain management. My expertise involves anything that's non-neurosurgical. We started building Atlas for ourselves and for the patient in mind, primarily to improve efficiencies, to do everything in one location as opposed to several other locations. We were all in different pockets of spaces, but now we can do it all in one setting. I think Atlas would be a great choice for our patients because the hospitals, they come in for a 15-minute procedure and they're there for 2 hours. At Atlas, you're there for the procedure itself. Once you get the procedure done, you go back, we check for post vitals and make sure you're okay, and then you get discharged home. Hopefully this whole process would be no more than 30 minutes, as opposed to the hospital where it can be several hours. It's just a much more pleasant experience. I can safely say they're not going to get any better care from any other facility in this area of the state or in the country.